wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just what's now.
Hey loves, it is your girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. We're checking out this cutie right here, so thanks for tuning into my channel. Come join your girl. So today y'all, I am showing you Outre's Melted Hairline Arlissa. I have Arlissa in a color DR4 Golden Honey. She is a HD transparent lace front wig with a 2x5 parting space. But this is how she comes fresh out of the package. I'm loving this blonde. Please thumbs up this video if you're liking what you're seeing, and go follow your girl on social media. Yeah, y'all, so let's show you her cap. This is her cap construction. She does have combs and adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. Hey, we love those. We are going to tint this lace, honey, using our even tint. Now we got that sealed good and dry, so we are putting this on, and we are going to temporarily secure her down today, okay? But do you see how that tint helps her blend effortlessly, even though she is HD transparent lace? But we're gonna go ahead and cut this lace, y'all. She is High-Tech's heat resistant fiber. So that means she is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but be careful if you do put heat in her. Okay, so now that we got the lace all cut, we are gonna go in with our Gotta Be freeze spray, and just like I said, temporarily hold her down. So we're gonna go around the hairline and just spray, and then we're going to use a rat tail comb, and the rat tail comb is going to help press the lace up against my skin so that it's a nice smooth hold, but it's seamless. That's what we're going for. Really simple, beginner friendly, I'd say. She's a pretty easy wig once you get the lace cut, but I am loving this blonde. That DR4, how the dark roots are a 4, so it goes from brown to blonde, is so fire. We are going to go ahead, and even though she does come with baby hairs, I have a certain area where I want to do some swoops. So we're going to trim them down a little bit using this razor, and we are going to do some swoops, baby. Yes. Your girl is going to go in and use this little mini flat iron that I got from Amazon. Y'all know I love me some Amazon. We should call it Glamazon, because baby, if you want to look fabulous, y'all know I find so much stuff at Amazon. I get on that app and just search for what I want. But yeah, this was really affordable, and I just got it specifically to curl the edges when I want them to lay a certain way. So that's all I'm doing, is just flipping that up, because I'm going to comb it back down. And y'all will see I'm going to use the Gotta Be Freeze Spray to stick that down, and then I'm going to go back over it and use my edge control from my shop, Lovely Angel shop. Yes, I do have some bomb edge control. So I'll link everything down below for y'all, as always, along with the purchase link for the wig. But y'all held on to sis for a minute, so it's about time I felt like wearing some blonde. Let's use our Bobo's Remy Leave-In Conditioner Spray. That is going to add a nice sheen to the hair. I really love this for my synthetic wigs especially, and it smells amazing.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end.
So here's when I told you I went back over my swoops with the edge control from my shop, Lovely Angel shop. And this is my small edge control. We do have a large one and a small one, and we also have edge control minis if you just want to sample them. So yeah, y'all, but pretty much going to go over and lay down the flyaways with this TG bedhead. It is a wax stick, so we're going to use that. I love this thing. Available on Amazon as well. I will link everything down below, so like I said, check the description box if y'all are interested in purchasing any of the items that I'm using. I'm about to define the part with this Kiss foundation. It's cream to powder, and I just like this because it goes in and it really shows up really nicely because it fits into the lace as a cream and dries as a powder, so you don't have to worry about it moving. But I still like to go in with hairspray just to make sure that it is sealed. I only experienced a few strands of shedding, not much, but yeah, she's pretty straightforward. We got her all styled, and so this is what she looks like on your girl and on the stock card on the model. So yeah, y'all, what do y'all think? But yeah, as far as her cap size, she is comfortable on me. My head size is a little bit smaller than average, but she does have room. We got room up in here. So big head cuties, you know what I tell you, lay your hair down, secure it down real flat, and you should be okay. So I hope you found this video helpful. Go follow your girl on social media. Please subscribe and join the LAL fam. I'd love to have you in my life. And if y'all have any questions specifically about this wig, or if you have a specific request or something, let your girl know down in the comments. But this is the front. We're going to show you the left side, and then the right side, and then of course the back, the bizac. She's a perfect length, and I love her curls. So Anyhow, y'all, have a blessed one. Do something good for somebody. Be positive. Be safe out there. Stay healthy. Your girl Ellie, I loves ya. I'm going to catch you next time. Stay tuned for the real. Don't forget to go follow your girl on Instagram. And please go follow me on TikTok too. Please subscribe. Please, please, please. Your girl loves you. Catch ya. The pics are after the real, y'all. So hopefully you've subscribed. Welcome to the fam if you have. Your girl Ellie, I loves ya.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken,